Can you guess the dance of your favorite movies, YouTubers, memes, and more with the video today? Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Star Quiz channel. 1 point for each correct answer. Try to get the maximum score. Round 1. Which movie do you think these dance moves are from? That's right, it's Madagascar. Round 2, and this one, can you guess it? Perfect, it's Wednesday. Round 3, do you know which meme this is?
Skibidi dop 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 dop, yes 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 yes, skibidi.
Amazing, it's Skibidi Dom Dom.
Skibidi dop 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 dop, yes 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 yes, skibidi dip.
Round 4, would you rather dance like Wednesday or dance like Skibidi Dom Dom? Round 5, which character is dancing? Yup, it's Mario in the Super Mario Bros. Round 6, which meme do you think this is? Neat, it's a Skibidi toilet. Round 7, do you know which YouTuber is dancing?
This is my emotion, let me show you how.
Correct, it's Farhan, the fashion king.
This is my emotion, let me show you how.
Round 8, do you know how old Farhan is? That's correct, he's 12 years old and about to hit 13 this July. Round 9, which movie is this?
Batting my eyes, isn't it pure perfection? Cute, thinking polite, stereo.
Well done, it's Megan.
Batting my eyes, isn't it pure perfection? Cute, thinking polite, stereo.
Round 10, do you know which one is the real Megan? Awesome, it's A. Round 11, which meme do you think this is? Wonderful, it's that one guy SpongeBob parody. Round 12. Which Which movie are these dance moves from? Pretty easy, right? It's Sonic the Hedgehog 2. Round 13. Can you spot the differences in these pictures? Great job. Round 14. Which movie do you think this is?
I can't believe I let this happen.
You're right, it's Shrek.
I can't believe I let this happen, and it's all because of you.
Round 15. Which character in Shrek does this voice belong to?
But I bet you ain't never seen a donkey fly.
A. Puss in Boots. B. Donkey. Amazing, it's B.
But I bet you ain't never seen a donkey fly.
Round 16. Which meme do you think this is? It was hilarious, right? It's Among Us drip meme. Round 17. Do you know who's dancing? Correct, it's Crazy Frog. Round 18. Pick the odd Crazy Frog out. Round 19. Can you tell us which movie this is? Simple, right? It's Frozen. Round 20. Which meme do you think this is?
I can get more.
Yes, it's Pizza Tower Scream.
I can get more.
Round 21. Can you find all the items in the picture? Hooray, you found it all! Round 22. Which movie could this be? That's right, it's Hotel Transylvania. Round 23. Can you help Mavis solve this maze and find Count Drac? Great job. Round 24. which YouTuber is dancing? Neat, it's Salish Matter. Round 25. Which channel do you think Salish first appeared on? A. Ninja Kids TV. B. Nadal Wonder. C. Jordan Matter. The correct answer is C. Our video comes to an end here. How many points have you got? Leave a comment to let us know. Don't forget to like and subscribe Star Quiz channel. Goodbye and see you again.